This is the ECU for door locks and door operation. You can see for the Kia 2001 Kia Sportage. You can open and lock all the doors from the driver's side. It's all power locks from the driver's side. Let's see right there. And this is what controls it. Now I'm gonna unplug it. You'll see that this controls the power. Power locks and the door chime. I'll show you that right now. That's where that sound is coming from. Not easy to put in one hand. There's that one. This one's the one that controls the door locks. This one controls the chiming. I'll put it down. There it goes. It's right here, and it sits right over here. That goes into a slot, and there, and then this goes here with the nut. Just pull it out like that, and now you can see that driver door doesn't control all the door locks. So if your door locks don't work from the driver's side, you might want to check this if none of the fuses are blown, or if a fuse is blown, then this might be bad. Alright.